Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy. I am Sunita Verma, your science teacher from Suraj School. Today I am here with my new topic all about plant. In this topic we will discuss about the brief summary of plant. This is for class 3 science lesson 3. So let's start. First of all, we will study about plant classification. Plant classification means types of plant. I know you know very well about the types of plant. The first type is trees, second is shrubs, third is herbs, fourth is creepers, and fifth is climbers. Now look at the picture. The first picture is mango tree. This is an example of trees. And you know it is very tall and strong. ये बहुत लंबा और मजबूत होता है. So trees are very tall and strong plants. Now look at the second picture. This picture is rose plant. And you can see this is very short and bushy. So you can say the short and bushy plants are shrubs. So rose is the example of shrubs. And next picture is mint, जिसे हम कहते हैं पुदीना. ये कैसा है? छोटा है और सॉफ्ट है. So very small plants with soft stem is known as herbs. So mint is the example of herbs. And the next picture is there is cucumber plant. Yes, this plant grow along the ground. ये प्लांट ग्राउंड के ऊपर रेंग कर चलता है, बढ़ता है, इसलिए इसे हम creepers कहते हैं. Plants that grow along the ground are known as creeper, and cucumber is the example of creeper. Now look at the fifth picture. This is money plant, and the plant growing above the ground. So plant that can grow above the ground by the taking of support any other object like any plant, any stick, any wall, they can climb up. So these kind of plants are climbers. Now you can understand about the types of plant and their examples. Now we understand about the different parts of a plant by the help of this web chart. In this web chart you can see plant divided into two main parts, root system and shoot system. इस वेब चार्ट में आप देख रहे हो कि प्लांट को हम टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, that is root system and shoot system. Root system is the part of plant which can grow below the ground. Root system plant का वो पार्ट है जो यूजुअली ज्यादातर ग्राउंड के बिलो ग्रो करता है, नीचे ग्रो करता है. एंड शूट सिस्टम इज द पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट विच ग्रो अबव द ग्राउंड. शूट सिस्टम प्लांट का वो पार्ट है जो ग्राउंड के ऊपर अबव ग्रो करता है. नाउ रूट सिस्टम फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू वन मेन पार्ट एंड शूट सिस्टम डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 or more than 3 parts. Roots are the main part of root system because roots can absorb water and mineral from the soil and transport to above part of plant. And stem is the main part of shoot system. Stem carry water and mineral to the different parts of plant like leaves, flowers, fruits, bird, branches, etc. So understand children about the plant. Plant is divided into two main parts, root system and shoot system. Roots are the main part of root system, carry water and mineral from the soil. Stem is the main part of shoot system, carry water and mineral to different part of plant like leaves and flower. Leaves are the also a main part of shoot system because leaves also known as food factory of plant because they can make food for the plant. Flowers are also main part of shoot system because they produce seeds. They turn into fruit and fruits contain seeds and seeds can grow a new plant. So these all are very important for plants. Now ready for revise. This is the plant and we will revise the parts of plant with their function. Yes, the first part of plant is root which grow below the ground and the second part is stem which grow above the ground. Third part is leaves. Leaves are also known as food factory of plant. The fourth part is flowers. Flowers are the part of plant which make plant very pretty and attractive. And the fifth part is fruit. Fruits are helping in reproduction. Yes, very good. So now understand the parts of plant. Look at the function of root. Yes, soak up water and mineral from the ground. The main function of root is absorb water and mineral from the ground. या soak up या absorb एक ही बात है. soak up करना means रूट्स का मेन फंक्शन है कि वो वाटर एंड मिनरल को ग्राउंड से सोक अप कर लेती है, खींच लेती है. नेक्स्ट द फंक्शन इज स्टेम सपोर्ट्स द प्लांट एंड कैरी वाटर एंड मिनरल थ्रू द प्लांट. स्टेम का मेन फंक्शन है कि वो प्लांट को सपोर्ट देता है और वाटर और मिनरल को प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट तक कैरी करता है. नाउ द फंक्शन ऑफ लीव्स कैच एनर्जी फ्रॉम सनलाइट एंड प्रोड्यूस फूड फॉर द प्लांट. ये एनर्जी को कैच करता है, सन से सनलाइट ले लेता है एंड फूड प्रोड्यूस करता है प्लांट के लिए. नाउ द टाइम टू नो अबाउट द फंक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर. द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ फ्लावर मेक सीड फॉर प्लांट बिकॉज फ्लावर्स टर्न इनटू फ्रूट्स एंड फ्रूट कंटेन एंड प्रोटेक्ट द सीड्स. These seeds further grow into a new plant. So these are the parts of plant and their function. Learn it carefully. Now we will study about seed germination. First of all, you have to know what is seed germination. क्या होता है seed germination? The process when a seed grow into a new plant. जब एक seed एक नए plant में grow करता है उसे seed germination कहते हैं. Look at the first picture. There are some seeds. Take one seed from the seeds. Yes, this is the second step. And grow into soil. This is the third step. Now after some days a new sapling grow from the seed after getting sunlight and water. It grow up into a beautiful small plant. This is the fifth stage, and after some time a healthy plant grow. Look at the sixth stage. There is a healthy plant and a flower, leaves, all are healthy. So a seed can grow into a healthy plant. This process is known as germination. First process, take one seed. Second process, the seed should be healthy. Third step, seed grow into soil. Fourth, a sapling grow above the ground. And after some time sapling grow into a new plant, and after some more time the new small plant grows into a healthy flowering plant. So this is the seed germination. Now it's time to understand the life cycle of plant. When a seed grow into soil, a young plant came out. जब एक सीड को सॉइल में बोया जाता है तो एक यंग प्लांट बाहर आता है जिसे सैपलिंग भी कहते हैं. आफ्टर सम डेज यंग प्लांट चेंज इनटू अ मैच्योर प्लांट. कुछ दिनों बाद यही यंग प्लांट एक मैच्योर प्लांट में चेंज हो जाता है. इस प्लांट्स में फिर फ्लावर्स आते हैं एंड दीज फ्लावर्स आर द फोर्थ स्टेज. आफ्टर सम टाइम फ्लावर कन्वर्ट इनटू फ्रूट and this fruit contains seed. Again seed can convert into a young plant. So this is the life cycle of plant. Now understand children, the seed is the first stage of the life cycle of plant. Young plant is the second stage is the life cycle of plant. Mature plant is the third stage, flower fourth stage and fruit is the fifth stage. Now this is the life cycle of plant. Learn this life cycle and draw in your notebook. It's time to say thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.